Yo, you chillin'? It ain't summertime, baby, no war. Anyway, 16 for 31. Installment 5. Let's go. Yo, killable offenses. No need to kill it because it's senseless. I'm a rap star. You lucky you could be up in my mentions. Positive and good is my intentions. Or I'll show up at your door. It's just me. Do I really need some henchmen? Catch him in the big way. You got your daughter Christian in. Always been a Christian man. Still militant. As my brothers, assalamu alaikum if you're listening. While staying on my pitching, man. Love to be faithful, but I still know about some pimping. Damn, I ain't tripping, man. I'm just stating the facts. Like niggas don't always have their verse down pat. Like suburban kids always know about packs and rich hoes love tracks. You talk hard with your blood at. Nigga, I survive with a mud at. Wake up a legend still, gassed off my own stats. I'ma take this shit and I ain't never going back. To not having opportunity, that's a fucking fact. Bitch. Bang.